This is a Labubu. For those of you that don't know what a Labubu is, it's a little fluffy Nordic looking toy designed by artist Kazing Lung, and it was made really popular by a K-pop star on TikTok. And what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to unbox this one, and then I'm going to custom paint whatever Labubu I end up getting. And you can see here, these are the colors that are most likely in this blind box, and there is also a secret one here. So I don't know what it is, obviously. It's fully sealed. This is a legit Labubu, not a fake one. There's lots of fakes. This was hard to track down, but I thought I can't just showcase a plain Labubu. It definitely needs to be airbrushed. Let's go ahead and check out which one we've got, and this will eventually go to my 8-year-old daughter anyway. Here she is, little green girl. You can see totally legit Labubu, even though the green is pretty cool. So it's time to get her custom painted and make her a one-of-a-kind little monster. Get her ready to paint. First thing I'm going to do is mask up around the edge so we can protect the fur. Just use some of this masking tape. It doesn't have to be perfect, just go around the perimeter, just so I can spray down a adhesion promoter. Now with some larger tape, just tape off around the outside using the 2-inch. Just going to give her a quick clean with some wax and grease remover before I put the adhesion promoter on there. This just makes sure that I've removed any dirt or fingerprints, and that way there's more chance of the paint sticking and the adhesion promoter doing a good job. Just using the air from the airbrush to remove any bits of dust that I may have missed. And now using some adhesion promoter, I'll lightly dust that on and let that dry. Okay, so using some sepia brown, I'm just going to base up the face. I want to darken off all the features. Just going to keep her masked up for the moment until I've got a base coat on there. Make sure I get into all those little crevices. So now that the sepia is dry, I'm going to go ahead and unmask around the face so that I can keep painting and also blend in where you can see the masking tape has kept that area safe. I'm just going to build that up. You're going to get a little bit on the hair, but that's okay. Much better. You can see it's all nice and neat now, and we've got that perfect sepia base. Now using white, I want to build up some white in the eyes. I'm running the paint really thin, so I'm going to work on the other one while that one dries. I might actually make these eyes glowing, so I'll let a bit of overspray hit these areas. Now using Fluro green, I'm going to give the eyes a glow. And I'm deliberately letting some of that overspray travel. Using some Vallejo gold and a brush, I'm going to paint in the teeth. You could do this with the airbrush, but it's easier to do it with a brush. You don't have to worry too much about getting overspray everywhere. And to get the teeth nice and bright with airbrush gold, you'd have to do multiple layers. Even so, this one will probably need a couple of coats. Another coat just to get the gold to pop a little bit more. Much better. Now using the transparent black and do some shading. Up under the mouth now. Also a bit of overspray on those teeth. Looking better already. Using white again, I just want to create a bit of a glow in the middle, brighter highlight. Just a light dusting with that fluoro green again, just to tint it down a little bit. Just using some Trident paint, I'm going to paint in the nose black. Using the black, I just want to outline around the teeth.